Happy Tuesday, everybody. Right now I am right outside at the office. I'm gonna head on over to Wild Dunes. We have a really cool master bathroom remodel going on, so we're gonna go meet Andrew over there and he's gonna tell us a little bit about the project.
Hey guys, it's Drew. We're at the Harbor Course project right now. We just finished demoed in the master bathroom. I'm gonna walk y'all through everything and kind of show you what changes we're making throughout. Right here we have the old master vanity. We're extending it about 1.5 feet down. We'll have to recenter the sinks. We're coming back with a custom quartz top on it. And it's gonna have a custom cabinet tower on top for more storage as well. Originally they had an older jacuzzi style tub that was installed back when the home was first built. We pulled that out. We're coming in with a more modern freestanding tub. It's gonna have the freestanding filler centered on the back of it. Over where the shower is gonna be, this is probably my favorite part of the bathroom. We're going to be adding a rapid recess kit in the floor, which will allow us to not have a curb on the shower, so the tile floor throughout the bath will roll right into the shower. We're gonna be moving the supply for the valves and the shower head and hand shower over to this wall. We'll have the rain shower coming down from the top. We're reframing the water closet. We're pulling this wall in a few inches, recentering the toilet from over there to here, and then we'll be adding custom cabinets over the toilet and in this nook over here. I'm excited with the progress we're gonna make. We'll check back in after the tile is done. See y'all soon.